What's up, moneymakers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be talking about ticker symbol TRKA, and we'll of course be talking about ticker symbol MULN, Mullen Automative. So stay tuned, watch the full video. TRKA is relatively new ticker for us on this channel, but one of my subscribers, Queens West 6228, credit goes to them. They reached out and they shared this. I got a good one for you. TRKA just released some interesting information on their 8K filing. Can you cover this too? Thank you. Very interesting. So here I am. Keep sharing this information. I'm happy to do my due diligence. Write down in the comment section below if you're looking into any other penny stock that has ton of potential. I'm happy to cover that. We'll do the due diligence. We'll talk together and we'll gain the return on our investment together as well. Without further delay, hit the like button so this video can reach to more and more people. I have done analysis and I'll share with you the numbers for TRKA. Apparently, I do see that the 8K form has been filed just before a day on April 6th. We'll talk about TRKA short interest, which is skyrocketing as well. I'll be talking to you what price point that you should look into. I have the moving average, I have the bars, I have everything go up and ready for the review when you can buy, at least what I think, when someone can buy based on the technical analysis. I know that the stock is beaten up for last many months. So take a look. It went to all the way 77 cents, and after 77 cents on March 7th, we saw that it dropped 70%, close to 70%, 53 cents down. This particular stock, if you take a look at 1 year, you should also be able to see that it was 77 cents, went down to 10, 11 cents, went back up to again 77 cents. So what are the price point that you should think about? What is the moving average? What you think in terms of after you can buy? So I have all this analysis. Without further ado, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on many juicy information, and let's jump into it. Now, first thing first, one day we lost 4.18%. We see that the after hours, it is already up 21%. Now, there is some news dropped that I want to share with you. The main news that I want to share with you is this particular Form 8K that is going to be probably adding a ton more value and a fuel. Second thing is the short interest that we are seeing that is skyrocketing. That's another thing. 5-day we are down, or rather we are up 2.5%. 1 month we are down 30%. 6 months we are down 18%. But year to date we are up 114%. So congratulations to whoever bought it around 10 to 11 cents. They're already doubling or tripling the return on your investment. So congratulations. Now, for those who are wondering, including Queen Vast 6228, let's talk about this. Now, once again, their average volume 88.8 million. If you think about the volume in general, the volume was pretty low back in the days, starting from 39 million, 13 million, so on and so forth, which is the beginning of 2023. Guess what? In February, we saw about 100 million in volume, and we did hit all the way up to 429 million by the first week of March. So first week of March, March 7th, we saw that the volume went to 429. And after that, we saw the drop in volume, but at the same time, we saw the drop in the price point. And that is what happens for penny stock. Remember, the biggest difference here, or the differentiator, is TRKA. Why I like this stock is this is still on NASDAQ. There are lots of eyeballs looking into TRKA, regardless of the short interest that we have been seeing, which is pretty high. I'm not going to deny, and our volume went down as well. So when you're on red and when there is a bullish sign, you should start looking into this particular stock. So take a look right here. Now, if I can show you every single time, so this is the price point, about 32.90. So 0.3290, almost 33 cents. When it hit 33 cents, could not sustain, went down to 24 cents. Once again, it was able to cross this 32.90. So 33 cents, skyrocketed the stock all the way up to 77 cents. So regardless, right now we are at 23.60 or 24 cents. I do not really believe that this is the price point that you want to buy and just jump everything into it. what I do believe is if you don't really need that money, you can start investing maybe 25%, which is 1/4. So if you're trying to invest, let's say $400, you might want to invest $100 at this price point. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I a certified professional. I'm just sharing what I think for me, and this video is only for the entertainment purposes. Why I'm saying 1/4 is you can dollar cost average if something goes wrong. So that's number one. Number two, when you invest in penny stock, you can also think that you can double, triple, quadruple your return on your investment within just a matter of days. On the flip side, you can lose that and can go to zero. So do your own due diligence. Why I'm saying 33 cents is take a look right here once again. So this is 33 cents, went back down. Again, it went to 33 cents after about a week and a half. But once it sustained and went above and beyond, it went to 45 cents. Once again, tried going back down, but around 39, 37 cents, right? 36 cents right here got more support and it started going up. What happens right now is after 80 to 70, it started dropping and it dropped around 34 cents. Got once again around 33 cents, got the support around 33 cents, 30 to 70, and 30 to 70, 30 to 90. So around 32 to 33 cents, I believe it is a strong resistance. Now, if it is about able to cross that price point, it will skyrocket. It exactly what happened, went to 49 cents. After that, we dropped down, could not get sustained on the price point, went to 22 cents. Went up, went down, went up, went down. Right now, what's happening is it is creating lower highs. So take a look right here, 31 cents, and it went to 26 cents. It did go to the lower high of 24 cents. Again, it went to the lowest low of 20 cents once again. Started going up, but I still do not see enough of fuel in this stock, and which is why I'm saying it's a good stock if you want to start investing little by little, but I wouldn't say just jump the gun just right now. Take a look at what their RSI says. Their RSI is 38. RSI suggests it's an oversold condition. And why is that? Take a look right here. It's a short selling stock at the moment. It is the favorite of the short sellers. 54.05% off exchange short volume ratio. And if you think about off exchange ratio in terms of the number of shares, it's 18.6 million, which is a huge short volume ratio for this kind of a small number of outstanding shares that are trading into the market. Now, 34.4 million, that's the FINRA volume. With that, the short volume is 18.6 mil, which is 54.05. Before that, we saw 47 million in the total volume, where we saw 27.2 mil as the short volume, and the short volume is almost 58%. 14.3 mil, and we saw 52% short volume ratio. My point is, we are heavily shorted in this stock. Now, the last thing I want to cover is Form 8K, which is going to add a lot more fuel into the mix because they have entered into the settlement agreement with the current and former holders in Series E convertible preferred stock, which means this current Series E convertible preferred stock will be vanished if things work out well. They're party to the certain security purchase agreement that they made on March 16, 2022, pursuant to which the original purchaser of the Series E preferred stock acquired the Series E preferred stock and accompanied with the warrants. So I'll keep you posted, but at the moment, this is not going to change the game up to an extent. What is going to change the game is, once again, what I told you about the price point, the moving average. The moving average is going down. The price is around 24 cents, which is attractive, but I wouldn't be surprised if it goes below 20 cents. And for the upside, I am really looking to see if it can cross 30 to 70, 30 to 90, and about 33 cents and sustain. Now, at that point, if someone wants to buy and take the swing trade opportunity, go ahead and do it. But as I always say, and take a look what I'm talking about on my channel. I talked about MULN when it was below 10 cents just before 13 days. And let me show you what I mean by that. It was 9 cents on March 28, which is when I shared it is going below 10 cents. Folks, wake up And I shared this information with you, and guess what? Within just 13 days, 7 days, within just 6 days, it spiked up 65%. Congratulations, whoever sold this particular stock, because that's how you make money. Even if you made $100, I'm happy for you, and you can invest that profit of $100 into TRKA if you really prefer to do that. So do your part. Can TRKA hit $1? Yes, it can, but you will have to find out the right price point. Now, talking about Mullen, Mullen is really struggling. They have really high short volume. The short sellers are not really stepping back. Take a look what happened. 5 days, down 31%. 1 month, 46% down. 6 months, we are down 61%. Year to date, we are down 68, 69%. But what I'm trying to say is, guys, we made money. Does not matter it is down year to date, but take a look last 1 month. If anyone bought it based on my video, and take a look, March 28th, precisely when I called out, March 28th right here, and 7 days ago, which is about 31st. So let's take a look what happened on 31st or 1st of April, right? So we go from here, March 28th, and March 31st, take a look, 45% up. Now, it did go, I remember, it did go above and beyond. It went to 16 cents. So it shows 13 cents here. Let's take a look on 31st of March. And if we go here, it was 16 cents. Yes, it was closed at 13 cents. I get it. But it went all the way to 16 cents. So if anyone bought it around 10 cents, sold it on 15 cents, made 50% profit just within 3 to 4 days, congratulations to all of you. And which is why I'm saying hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Do not miss out on these opportunities, folks. And let's take a look what Mullen is up to. Mullen is having the short volume of 50%, 49.10. 52.3 million stocks are shorted, short volume at the moment. Take a look. It is consistently about the short volume. 50%, 52, 49%, 54%, which is a high short volume. What is going on with Mullen? Number one, Mullen is going to begin the testing for new battery technology in Q4 2023. We are in Q2. There is going to be a strong momentum. They will begin testing its solid-state polymer battery in Class 1 electric EV vehicle cargo van in the 4th quarter. The battery is expected to provide a single charge over 200 miles, which is amazing. 200 miles you charge, and this is going to be, once again, it's a commercial electric vehicle van, cargo van, so think like that. And Mullen stock is going to be impacted if they have successful test. Number two, you already know that Randy Marion deadline, we saw the stock went up 20%. They started delivering these EV vehicles. They did not do 6,000 vehicles, but they have total purchase order up to 6,000 vehicles, which is going to be amazing. If the battery works out, if the 6,000 Class 1 EV cargo vans work out, it is going to add millions of dollars in terms of the revenue for Mullen stock. Number two, you want to think about what else Mullen should be doing. Deliveries have commenced, but the sustainability is in question. And which is what I'm saying, you don't really need to hold all the way throughout the Q3, Q4. If a 9-cent stock goes to 12 cents, 13 cents, decide yourself, and you may want to sell it and make money and run away. And that's what you do. Don't marry to a stock. Do not keep the stock for the rest of your life. You always have an opportunity, and there are opportunities in the market. And on my channel, I do my due diligence and I share this information with you. Now, Mullen lacks innovation drive, as this article points out, necessary to compete in the cutthroat EV market. The company is fully assembled in US, depends heavily on the Chinese tech and design. Yes, these are the cons, but you're not paying $1. You're paying 9 cents. You're paying 10 cents. That's what I think about. The acquisition of last mile solutions with the IP assets of Class 1 and 3 vans. However, the nature of Mullen's relationship is unclear, which is okay. 9 cent stock, and I'm not investing more than 1% or 2% out of my total portfolio. Rather, I'm just putting maybe like a few $100s in Mullen, not even 1,000. But lastly, I just wanted to say what happened last time. 9 cents to 16 cents took just 3 or 4 days. People made 55%, and I precisely posted. I'm not saying I'm right all the time because, again, I do not have a crystal ball, but I was lucky, maybe. I did my due diligence based on the ticker, based on the signals, based on the technical analysis. I thought that it's a good buy, and we made it happen. And probably you might want to just invest the profit that you made out of this 65% pump and keep your money, your principal, into your pocket. Don't invest. I hope you like this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.